We were pulling up corn. We had some that fell over, either by wind or by deer, and it continued to grow, and it had a curved shape. My wife was sorting through the straight ones and the curved ones and noticed a pattern with the curved ones. So she said, "Hey, does this look like a wreath?" It's like, well, yeah, because you've laid it out like a wreath. You think that'll fit on the front door? Probably not. But if we tie it down, it might. So, yeah, we've got some jute. We're going to tie it off and wrap it up and see if we get some result. So there it is. It's a little lopsided, but what you get when you...
It just gives it personality.
Yeah, something like that. That's what you get when you do, you know, crafty things out of corn stalks that you just cut from your garden and no intention for any other way.
Of course.
Yeah, and if anybody's got any ideas on how to hang this from a door, please let us know, because the wreath hangers don't have that much structure to them. It's going to be interesting. How about a ladder hanger?
We tie it to it, right?
The worst is going to happen is it's going to fall off.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay. That seems like it'll work great.
We'll let the wreath hanger hold this part, and we'll let that part hold the giant wreath, monstrous wreath. That may fit on the front door, may not. It may take up the whole porch patio.
What do you think?
She's a hanger. And it covers the door.
Excellent.
So there it is, in its ridiculous manner. And yeah, there's a wasp nest up there, and they dive bombed the hanger that we put on the door, then they dive bombed the other hanger we put on the door, and then they dive bombed my hat. So we're gonna leave them be. They've only got a couple of weeks before the weather gets them. But that's a big old wreath. Her question was, will you be able to see it? Yeah, you'll be able to see it. You just won't be able to open the door. What's the purpose of using a front door? I mean, nobody ever uses them anyway. Nobody comes to them, and that's why we have, you know, security wasps to run people off. So it's ridiculous, but makes her happy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.